Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Pastebin script. First, you will need to create a free Pastebin account. This account grants you access to the developer API. Once registered, navigate to your account settings to generate your unique developer API key. This key is essential for authenticating all your script's requests to the Pastebin service. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation for specific requirements. To begin scripting, select a programming language such as Python or PHP. Your script will interact with the Pastebin API using HTTP POST requests. The primary API endpoint is typically https://pastebin.com/API/API POST, PHP. In each request, you must include your developer API key and the actual content you wish to paste. These elements are sent within the request body as form data. When creating a paste, several parameters are crucial. You should specify the paste format, for example, text or Python, to ensure correct syntax highlighting. Also, set an expiration date for your paste. Options include 10 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 month. Finally, define the paste's privacy level, public for everyone, unlisted for those with the link, or private for your account only. For a robust script, implement error handling to gracefully manage any failed API requests. Consider scheduling your script to run automatically at specific intervals, perhaps every 5 minutes or once a day, depending on your needs. A critical best practice is to securely store your API key, ideally as an environment variable, rather than hard-coding it directly into your script for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.